Okay, confession time. My hair and I, we have a love-hate relationship. Some days it behaves and the other days it looks so dull and frizzy that even filters can't save me. And if you've ever colored your hair, you'll get this. It looks great the first week and then slowly it turns into blah. So when this big box showed up from L'Oréal Paris, I was like, okay, another gloss promise. But this one says Glossiest Hair Ever. I was so curious, so let's just test this together. Inside the box are 4 steps: shampoo, conditioner, and this thing called an acidifier, which sounds too scientific for my bathroom, and a serum. And the main ingredient, it's glycolic acid. Now I know acid sounds very scary, but in hair care, it's actually pretty cool. It's small enough to go deep inside your hair fiber, which means instead of just coating your hair with fake shine, it actually fixes the dullness from within. So science lesson over, let's see if this actually works. First up, shampoo. It foams up nicely but doesn't leave my hair squeaky and dry, which is usually my fear. Already feeling lighter and it smells heavenly, so bubblegum. Okay, conditioner next. This is where my hair usually decides whether it's going to behave or not. And honestly, it's smooth but not flat, which I'm loving. The texture is really thick like a hair spa mask, and again the smell is so nice and fruity. Now this guy, the acidifier. I was skeptical, but apparently it locks in shine for up to 6 washes. You apply it on top of conditioner, leave it for a few minutes and wash it out. And okay, wait, my hair actually feels different. Softer, sleeker. I am impressed. Final step, serum. You guys know I hate greasy serums. This one is super lightweight, no oil slick, just glossy ends. The texture is milky and it has shiny particles. Wow, I like. Okay, can we take a moment because my hair looks like I've just walked out of a salon treatment. It's shinier, my color looks fresh again, and my hair doesn't feel coated. It feels healthy. This is literally the glossiest my hair has looked in ages. You guys know how picky I am with hair stuff. Half the time the products don't live up to the hype, but this routine, low-key obsessed. It's like a mini glossing service at home but without the price tag or damage, and honestly, glossy hair just makes me feel like my best self on and off camera. So yeah, if dull frizzy hair is your biggest struggle, then maybe give this a try. I'm personally going to keep using this because I can't stop touching my hair. L'Oréal Paris really knows what they're doing. This Glycolic Gloss range has really proved that getting the gloss on is now possible, and I'm just obsessed with it. So tell me, are you ready to become a gloss boss too?